Hi guys, if your Apple Watch has white edge lines or white lines in your Apple Watch, then here is how to fix it. So the very first thing is forcefully restarting your Apple Watch. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just press this digital crown and the side button together, okay, and keep it pressed. Do not leave those two buttons, and the screen goes off, and wait for a few more seconds, and once the Apple logo appear on the screen, you can leave those two buttons and you have forcefully restarted your Apple Watch and your problem will be fixed. Now let's move to the second fix. Just press the digital crown and just tap on this setting icon, gear shaped setting icon. Now once you go to the settings icon, just go to accessibility, scroll down and find accessibility, tap on it, and now you have to scroll down and find assistive touch. Just tap on assistive touch and make sure it is turned off. If it is not off, turn it off. Also double click on the digital crown and just left swipe and close all the open apps, okay, and then just restart your watch and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please do like.